Improving event quality for Facebook Pixel using GTM and user data collection. On Facebook, the quality rating of events transmitted through the Pixel significantly impacts your advertising results. A higher quality score is achieved by transmitting user-specific data like email, phone number, first name, last name, birthdate, city, and other details recommended by Facebook's official guidelines. In this video, I'll show you how to extract essential data email, phone number, and first name from form fields on your site. These three fields alone can boost event quality by 80%, requiring much less effort than, for example, capturing the user's birthdate, which only adds about 1% to event quality. Step 1. Configuring GTM for comprehensive tracking. The first step is to configure GTM to track more data on your site. Begin by adding triggers to monitor all clicks and link clicks on the website. Then, in the variable settings, enable all standard variables to allow GTM to capture a broad range of data for each action on your site. Step 2. Creating form field variables in GTM. To extract data from form fields, we need to create JavaScript variables in GTM. Start by examining the structure of the form fields. Open your site in preview mode, fill in the form fields, and inspect the code of each field. Right-click on the email field, select Inspect, and you'll see the code for the input element. Copy this input code, then go to Checked and enter the prompt, create a JavaScript variable for GTM that will return the input value. Here is the code for the input field on the site, and paste the copied input code. Checked will provide you with the JavaScript code for your GTM variable to extract the email from the form. Once you receive the JavaScript code, go to your GTM container, open the LED tag or another tag you want to use for user data, navigate to the Customer Information Parameters section, and locate the email field. Click the Lego icon, create a custom JavaScript variable, and paste the JavaScript code. Name the variable and save it. Repeat this process to create JavaScript variables for the phone and first name fields. For the phone number, ensure only digits are included by asking Check to provide code that strips out extra characters like the plus symbol. Step 3. Testing and verifying variables. After creating these variables, open your site in preview mode, fill in the form, and click on any empty space on the page to trigger the click event. Go to the most recent click event in GTM's preview mode and open the variables section to verify if the email, phone number, and first name values are populated correctly. If they are empty, consult Check to refine the code for working alternatives. It's important to note that form submission and value extraction must occur on the same page. If your form submits on one page and you're checking variables on a separate page like a thank you page, the variables will be empty because they only operate on the page where data is entered. In a future tutorial, I'll show how to transfer email, phone, and other values from the form to the thank you page. Step 4. Viewing data in the LED trigger and server container. Once the form is submitted, you can see that the email, phone number, and first name are transferred through the LED trigger in the browser container. You can also verify this in the server container by opening the request content, where you'll find parameters like PHN and lane with hashed values of the user data. Facebook's hashing rules ensure the secure transmission of these details. The FB client setting enables hashing for these values. Additionally, you can confirm the data in the Pixel Helper browser extension. Open the request in the LED event, and you'll see parameters M, PH, and lane. For browser events, hashing happens automatically, and server settings don't affect this.